How to reschedule your Pearson VUE online exam. Hey everyone, welcome back to Proctor Tutors. Today, I'm here to guide you through the process of rescheduling your Pearson VUE online exam. If you find yourself needing to change your exam date, don't worry. It's easier than you might think. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Log into your account first. Head over to the Pearson VUE website and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll be taken to your dashboard, where you can see your upcoming exams. Step 2. Locate your exam. Look for the exam you want to reschedule. You'll see a section called Upcoming Appointments. Find the exam you need to change and click the Reschedule button next to it. Step 3. Select a new date and time. You'll be directed to a new page where you can select a new date and time that fits your schedule. Remember to double-check your time zone to avoid any mix-ups. It's a good idea to choose a date that allows you enough time to prepare, so don't rush this step. Step 4. Confirm your reschedule. After selecting a new date and time, review your changes carefully. You'll see a summary of your new appointment details. Here's an important tip. Make sure to click Confirm Reschedule on the final screen. This step is crucial. If you don't confirm, your changes won't be saved, and you may end up with your original appointment. Step 5. Check for confirmation. Once you've confirmed, check your dashboard again. It should reflect your new appointment details. Pearson VUE will also send you a confirmation email. Make sure to keep an eye out for that. Important policies to remember. If you need to reschedule or cancel, make sure you do it at least 48 hours prior to your exam to avoid additional fees. Pearson VUE charges a $50 fee for rescheduling and $100 for cancellations. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on navigating your exams. Good luck with your studies, and see you in the next video.